Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a update for Google Chrome. So there's not a lot of details, but they did say that there was going to be 2 updates a week for security. There would be probably also more updates to fix bugs. So it's somewhere around that. So it could be one of the 2 security updates. It could be bug fixes. If you go to the upper right corner in the 3 vertical dots, you will have help and about Google Chrome. And this will bring you on August 4th at 151.0.79.22.76. And this is the latest update for Google Chrome, which will probably have another update this week if they do what they say. So that means that, we'll have more videos of updates for Chrome. Even though it doesn't say security, there's a chance there could be some security updates in here, as well as the bug fixes. So I would, think it's important to make sure you apply these updates. They do apply automatically, usually if you use Chrome regularly, but you can go and check it out by yourself. That also means there will be more updates coming to all the Chromium browsers this week. So Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, Edge, and so on will have updates also. So check it out. Update for Google Chrome. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.